location. Candidate Prime Minister for Miss Intramural 2017. Miss Sunday.
Go! Go!
Your question goes this way. If ever you win the title Miss Intramural 2017,
Bakit mo?
what will you promote? What will you promote to improve this alma mater, your alma mater, Don Bosco?
Okay? 2 seconds. 2 seconds to answer.
2 minutes to answer your question.
Okay. But first of all, I want to win.
First of all, ano? First of all, pitaka, ano?
Tawagan!
Pitaka, ano?
Excuse me, Miss Candidate.
Repeat your...
Before you answer your question, can you improve your pronunciation?
Okay.
Because you're nakakahiya, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, first of all...
But can we do it later because you know there are lots of people already.
No, you should answer it. 1 minute left. 1 minute left.
Or you just, you don't know the answer.